Guys, umpisa pa lang natin guys. Anim ito na guys. Fully starting guys. Ayun guys. Mama. Guys, mama guys. Kaisan tayo guys. At least sa hapon na ito, mag-alas 5 na, nakaisa na tayo. Mukhang matanggal pa. Continuous natin guys ha. Iso. Continuous natin guys kasi magdilim na naman. Okay, bakbak guys. Bigat yan guys. Yun mama. Ay papakol guys. Kalo ko papakol guys. At sa daanan natin to kasi sa dulo lang guys. Kita nyo sa labas lang, kaya bakbak ng bakbak. Susan tayo guys. Ayan guys, may video tayong araw to. Late na tayong tumating guys. Naka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 na to guys. Let's go. Sige guys, ras. Oy, what a good news. Fish on. Wow. Ayun kami nahanap ka. Anya guys, no more time sorry guys. 5:30, like almost 1 hour. Madali tayo guys. Yun, narinig ko guys yung may back, kaya let's go home. And I want to see my cats in the house. I don't know how many cats in guys. Okay guys, at least meron tayong huli. Uy, madilim pala guys. Madilim. Ibali guys, let's go. Go muna tayo. Already late. 5:30 guys. Lanya like almost 1 hour. Already 6:30. Kaya doon na natin sa bahay. I want to see my fish there. Alright, discuss muna guys. At least nagamot naman yung kati natin itong hapon nito guys. Supposed to be I don't like to going to fishing, but I don't know. I rushed to the beach side and bring my old bread 3 days ago. At least catching tayo. I want to see you in the house. So guys, because this morning I busy to slice my maputi to make a dry fish. Let's go. Okay guys, this is it. Yan lang guys ang problema guys. Pag rush tayo mag-fishing, ito lang agad mahuli natin guys. Late na tayo umalis guys. 5:30. Ayan, 6:30 din, nakaisang oras din tayo. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. May plus nakawala pa guys. Kaya ito lang nahuli natin, di bali. At least binigyan natin doon kanina bago tayo umalis, madilim, hindi natin nakita. Kaya dito ngayon nakikita nyo na. Kaya ito ang huli natin. At least may huli sa hapon ito guys, sa rush fishing natin. At least still catching. Right? Maybe tomorrow. Because this morning I'm very busy guys. You see it, I'm making dry fish. That's what I clean up and I slice that one. Okay. By the way guys, shout out to Omar. I stay on with Romy in San Antonio with a friend. I taking video today guys. Picture and si Umar. And congratulations the Master League guys, the championship. Alright. This is it. At least meron tayong ano ngayon. Alright, Mr. B. Enjoy ka lang dyan, bro. I miss you, bro. Alright. Okay, mama. God bless you guys. I love you guys. Woo!